Hey, how's it going, guys? It is September 3rd, 2015. All right, let's jump right into it. All right, so let's start off with the euro. Euro. All right, so the thing with the euro is it sold off pretty nicely. Um, it sold off more than I expected. I thought we would at least hold this 112 area represented by this trend line all the way back from August 10th. If you notice here, prices reacted pretty nicely to this trend line. So, I'm a little bit surprised that we broke below it. But ultimately, I think what we're trying to do, what the market is trying to do, is it's trying to work its way back above it. I think we're in I think it's time for a correction. So I think maybe from off these 111s, we work our way back up to 114. Some nice fib extensions up, Fibonacci retracements up there. The 50%, and so on and so forth. So I think we'll get a nice rally back up to here where sellers might think about shorting again. Um, yeah. So once we reach up here, get for a short. I think personally, I'm a dollar bull. I see prices breaking out to the upside, and obviously that means that euro is going to take a big hit to the downside. So in the short term, this is the picture that I'm interested in trading. This is the picture that I'm interested in. I'm interested in shorts. Yeah, I'm interested in the downside move. I think if we get down to 108, 107, I think then I might be interested in a long. I think by then the euro would be ready for an even bigger correction, maybe up to, and this is just an estimate, maybe up to the 118s, 120s. Maybe we'll get a monster rally to catch everybody off guard. Maybe the Fed says something or something to that effect. But for now, I'm interested in the shorts. I think once we touch down to 108, 107, I won't be interested in adding to any shorts. I might think about exiting because I'm expecting something to push prices back up to 120. That level hasn't been touched yet, and I'm not ruling it out as a possibility. Let's jump over to pound. All right, pound, right? Pound has been selling off pretty nicely. I started shorting up here at the 154s at the start of this week. It's working its way down slowly. I'm happy with that, but it's time for a correction. I always keep in mind that corrections take place. So I think what's happening right now is the dollar is getting weaker, and it might affect pound dollar. So it's going to push prices up to 154-ish area, and I think once we do that, we work our way back down to 150. Yeah, Aussie. Let's jump over to that. Aussie. Now, here's the thing with Aussie. What did I say? I said it was going to drop down to 170 and break. It's going to drop down to 70 cents, sorry, and break it. Now the market is trying to decide, do we want to stay above 70 cents or do we want to crack and drop below 70 cents? Personally, I think we stay below it for a little while, right? Yeah, and then we'll kind of try to work our way back up. But Aussie has just been on a drop this entire 2015. Longs have not been working, so I would advise you not to long it. I would just stick with the shorts until we get a fundamental change in the out of Australia. But for now, I'm just trying to short it, because that's what's been working. Let's look at gold, right? Another reason that's kind of supporting my Aussie bearish bias is gold. I kind of see gold dropping in the short term. I think what we're working our way to do is we're trying to crack this 1120, and we're going to work our way down to maybe 1100 an ounce. Yeah, and that's going to affect Aussie dollar. If gold is getting weaker, it's going to affect Aussie dollar. So So yeah, that's my analysis for today. You know, dollar bull across the board, sell rallies, um, and yeah, guys. So if you're viewing this, I don't know where you're viewing this, but make sure you follow me on Twitter, FX World Boss. Make sure you check out my website, TradeFX with Chris. You know what I mean? I hang out with other traders on Twitter, and you get more of my analysis on my website. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later, guys. I'll give you an update video pretty soon.